When I first started my career, I wish somebody would have gave me the advice to treat it as a career and not just a job. If I was able to talk to myself back then, I would say, put everything into it, and whatever you put into it is going to come back to you multiplied. My name's Paul Stroup, and I work for Valiant TMS. I'm a manufacturing supervisor there. I've been in this industry for 25 years. So I'm a pipe fitter by trade, but I have experience in mechanical and electrical also. So I think those skills of all three trades help me to be a manufacturing supervisor, because those are the main three trades that I oversee. I think I've impacted the team's success mostly, I think, with my organizational skills and my work ethic. I think it's important to be organized and to get out in front of things, be proactive. Myself, along with a lot of other people that work there, are pretty highly motivated, and nobody really slacks off. Everybody contributes, everybody puts in, and works tons of overtime, whatever's needed. I think the whole team is really dedicated to the project to make that successful. I think I've evolved and grown professionally just with picking up more skills. I was pretty competent pipe fitter, and that was my trade. I knew that very well. But stepping into the manufacturing supervisor role, I was pretty proficient in mechanical and electrical, but I really had to step that up, learn more. And even robot programming, PLC, a lot of them things that I wasn't exposed to so much before. I've learned a lot and grown a lot through that. I have 3 sons that work with me at Valiant TMS, so I get to see them quite often, but they're having children, and I have 7 grandchildren now. I really enjoy spending time with them. My career goals for the next 5 years is I really like my position I have now. If I were to take another position, it would probably be in project management, but I would still be happy even in the same position that I have now in 5 years.